Discover luxurious living at 12 at U District, Seattle, a student haven designed to give you the university experience of your dreams in Seattle. These stunning studios and 1 to 2 bedroom apartments feature ample closet space, a fully equipped kitchen with stainless steel appliances, hardwood-style floors, sprinkler systems, and your own room with either a shared or private bathroom. No need to worry about Wi-Fi, it's already included in your rent. Hustle hard in the community workspaces, then hit the action-equipped gym to distress. Liven up your evenings on the rooftop lounge with sunset vibes, or take on friends in the video game arcade. Also, pets are welcome here, so bring your fuzz butt along. With 24-hour staff support, courtesy patrol, and secure parking available, everyday living is effortless. Oh, and the University of Washington and Seattle Pacific University are only minutes by car. Buses on Northeast 45th Street and 11th Avenue Northeast, along with the nearby U District Light Rail, make transit seamless. So, book your spot in 12 at U District in Seattle via amberstudent.com before someone else does.